Alright guys, actually I don't usually do this type of video. I'm actually filming the car. Actually I did before. I don't think I showed that clip. But anyway, so look at this guys. And that's not even the worst part. My left feet right now is severely injured. I can't walk right now. I can't move. I can't even put on my shoe. And where I am at one of the shopping mall at Ontario, California. Why is that? Because today is Friday. It's November 29th, which is Black Friday. And I was so ready yesterday. I was ready for everything. I was so ready. I pumped. I was ready to just come here and do a shopping. And then today I was contact my best friend. I was like, you want to shopping together? He was like, yeah. So I did. Then I leave my house and I go to his house and I put my BoostedBoard in the back trunk. And I was like, because last time he saw my BoostedBoard, he was pretty excited. And I was like, why don't we ride BoostedBoard a little bit just before we actually go to the shopping mall? And we're like, yeah. And I just ride my BoostedBoard. And when he comes out of his house, and I have a pretty, it's not severe, but it's kind of bad vision. Then we were like, then I see he come out, but I can't see exactly is his mom or is him. And I was like looking at him, but this time I was on the top speed on the BoostedBoard. Then when I finally sees it, I trying to turn left onto him, right? But I forgot I was on top speed. Then just slightly turn left. I was literally flying off of the BoostedBoard and injured my left. He's severely injured, and I was rolling on the ground for like 5 times. Then I get up. I trying to get up real quick because I was in the middle of the road. I try to get up and run to the side, but I get up. Then, like 2 seconds I realized, nope, I just can't because my left feet doesn't work. Because at that time I don't know it's injured yet. So I was like, oh, I can't. So I was like literally use my right feet, like drag my left feet from the road. And I left my phone, this phone in the middle of the road, and car comes out and he didn't see it. He literally just right on it. Because when I roll on the ground, my phone is actually fly out of my pocket, and that's how bad is it. And right now my phone is cracked pretty bad, both front screen and back screen, but it still works. My Apple Watch is pretty good. Other stuff, my finger is bleeding a lot, so I put on a band-aid. All these stuff are nothing, but the bad one is my feet, because I can't walk right now. I stuck in this parking lot for like the next probably 5 hours, and waiting for their family come out. And yeah, I stuck here. Right now it's actually 3:22. And it's 3:22 in the afternoon. They're probably gonna leave at 7 probably. There are no internet right here. No internet in this parking lot. I am at, I don't know, Ontario? The shopping mall in Ontario. And there are zero internet in this entire parking lot. And I'm kind of far away from the actual plaza. So, yeah, there's no internet. I can't get the Wi-Fi working at all. So I'm just stuck here in the car for like the entire day. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like outside right now. It's barely after the sunset. It's just after the sunset. It's not completely dark yet, but it is dark. This is what's going on outside. It's actually a little bit darker from the outside than the camera. Camera is slightly brighter because it boosts the ISO up. Alright guys, now I'm back home, and if you guys can tell, it's not yesterday anymore, it's completely the other day. And yesterday there's a lot of things going on, which I didn't tell you guys. So yesterday after I was trapped in the parking lot, my legs started hurting super bad. Then I went to the hospital, and it turns out it's a lot worse than I thought. So basically the doctor says I have a bone chipped out, which I broke my bone, and because I'm waiting for so long, like in the parking lot, I haven't really gone to the hospital as fast as possible. So it's getting worse and worse. So I'm probably gonna take a month or maybe even longer, like 2 months. It takes me to recover. And now in the meantime, if I wanna walk, I have to take this guy. So this is what my legs looks like right now. so I can't go to school. I can't do anything. I'll eat upstairs and lay on the bed for the entire day. That's my day basically. But the soup is good though. Those two. Second morning. I don't know how long is it gonna be. Keep stupid. Alright, I don't know how long is it gonna keep being like this. So I might just gonna end the video here, or if something happening, I'll keep recording. I don't know, but my hair. I'm gonna take a shower real quick. So another day here at home. The doctor just the hospital called me. Basically, he says we're gonna make a reservation on the Thursday. At first he said the next Monday, but I realized I broke my bone. The longer it takes, the longer it might just getting worse and worse. So today is Monday. It says this Thursday, so we have 3 days more. I already been in this room. I haven't even left this second floor yet in 3 days. So it's gonna be getting so bad if I had to stay here for another 3 days. And wait until it gets better, it's gonna be even worse. But there's few good things. So one good thing is I bought a switch pod.